In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add and connect a repeater to a dataset from the CMS menu and enhance it with a dynamic selection tags element. This process will help you display and manage your data on your web page in an interactive and organized manner. Let's dive right into the details. To begin, you'll want to add a repeater to your page. A repeater is a dynamic tool that helps you showcase items from your dataset and is especially useful for displaying collections of content on your site. Start by navigating over to the CMS menu where you can locate the dataset you want to work with. Make sure that this dataset is linked to the specific collection that includes your tags field. Connecting your repeater to this dataset will ensure that it automatically pulls information from the CMS and updates dynamically as the content in your database changes. This step is crucial for maintaining fluidity between your site's live data and its presentation. Once you have your repeater set up, the next step is adding a selection tags element to it. Selection tags can be particularly useful as they allow users to interact with and filter the content directly on your site. Inside the repeater, locate the Add Elements icon and click on it. You'll want to select the input option from the list of elements that appear. From here, you'll find the selection tags element, which you should drag and place directly inside the repeater. This setup will facilitate a smooth integration of interactive elements that respond to user input, providing a more engaging experience for your audience. Now that you've added the selection tags element within the repeater, it's time to connect it to your dataset. Start by selecting the selection tags element you've just placed. With the element selected, click on the Connect to Data icon, which enables you to establish a direct link between the selection tags and your dataset. This connection is essential because it ensures the tags will dynamically display the correct information from your collection. In the drop-down menu that appears, select the same dataset you initially connected to your repeater. This consistency is key to maintaining a seamless data flow. Finally, you'll need to configure the Tag Value Connects To option. Choose the field from your collection that contains the tags. It's important to note that this field must be a tags field type, which allows for multi-dimensional tag data. Completing this step ensures that the selection tags element will correctly populate with the relevant data from your collection, offering users an effective way to filter and engage with the content. And there you have it, a dynamic, interactive component on your web page that's fully integrated with your CMS. By following these steps, you can enhance the functionality of your site and provide a richer experience for your visitors.